In this video, I will show you how to make a resume like this and how to make ATS-Friendly Resume and why it is ATS-friendly. First, open Microsoft Word. Go to Layout, select Margin, select Narrow option if you have many information to put, or you can select Normal option or adjust according to your need. But make sure it looks professional. I am choosing this option, then go to Size, select A4, add Name. Make sure it's its middle position, then add address, contact number, mail, and LinkedIn profile. Link. Use Enter option, go corner. Now add Education section. Also you can add it in below. I am preferring in top. Considering your position, you can add below or top. If you have experience level more than 2 to 3, you can add it in below section. For beginner, add it in top. Then you can add About section, About or Summary section. If you are beginner or less diversity to make summary, add About section. If you have a lot of experience, add Summary section. Then I suggest you to write Skill section. Some people prefer Skill section in top because they will hire you on basis of your skill or expertise. I am adding it before summary and use this option to look paragraph professional and well organized. Then add Summary section. Then Job Experience section. Make sure when you add job experience it has information about duration, location, job type, full type or contractual. The Add Job Experience using action verb, matrices, and achievement focus. Also use skill or keyword in the job description. You can add project, training, language. Other information too if it is necessary depend on your industry. And now why this format is ATS friendly, because it has no table, box section or infographic. That will hinder to read the resume in automatic system. If you make boxes or table, that may hinder some automatic software to read your resume automatically or find out what you try to show in your resume. Second, optimized your skill section. My skill set may not match with your skill set. Write the skill section or skills and expertise section according to your industry need or job description. Find 10 similar job description that matches your desired job. From those job description, find the skill section. In job experience, you see I add action verb, soft skill, hard skill metrics, which is one of the key factor to pass ATS-friendly resume. Make sure you utilize these in your resume too. To write a resume, you need to research well. Description similar to your interest, find skill set and keywords, must have section. Make sure you represent your skill very well. Don't push unnecessary things because at first glance, recruiter only take 8 seconds to 2 minutes to read your resume. Make sure it's easy to read and eye-catching for showing your skill set. I hope you enjoy this video. By the way, if you are too tired to do all this, you can hire me from Fiverr, LinkedIn, Legit for free review. You can also DM me, resumeproinsight@gmail.com. Kindly subscribe. My channel, like, share, or comment. It will inspire me more.